Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting ready to go to Cars and Coffee. Got our C8 Rally Driver trunk cover in the back. We're gonna be installing that at the show today. Baby, let's go! We need to get to Cars and Coffee. Got some of our old friends back with us. Exciting little run over here, huh? These things are nasty. That 570S is quick. It only has 570 horsepower, 100 horsepower less than this. And dang, it was right there. He was pulling on me, I think. How's it going, guys?
Look at his back.
All right, thank you.
Straight back and around to row 3.
Thank you. All right, we got our reserve parking spot next to Sid in the Z06. There we go. Heck yeah. All right, let's put this thing on here. You guys see this? General Motors trademark?
So he got the license and everything.
License and everything. This is legit. He's got a bunch of them on there. You gotta check them out. Seeing again, man.
He came up behind me. He's like, ah!
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Dude, that looks pretty good.
So you can watch the inside?
This is so you can detail your engine bay, yeah.
So the water won't go in.
So the water won't get in the compartment. Dude, that's pretty sick. Okay, I gotta get a picture of that. Dude, look at that. Oh, man. That looks freaking sweet. I like that. You like that, babe? That looks freaking amazing. Guys, if y'all want your cover, make sure you guys go to c8rallydriver.com. Use promo code RWDC8Z to get 10% off yours.